Chanel.
Yeah, it's me, Chanel, and Hermes, I should say. And if you're new, please just watch all the videos so you can catch up to what we are doing. So today we are going to be opening stuff. Like I'm opening the Chanel and she's opening all the Gucci stuff. I know what these are, but I want it to be a surprise. So don't skip all this. And with the Chanel, I actually don't know what bag is it. So just don't take or something. So I put this Chanel bag. So we'll just open this. The flower looks neat. I think I'll just put it here. Okay, so now I'll open the bag, the ribbon. That's actually an easy way to open it, if you don't know that. Okay, the ribbon's kind of long. Oh, this is the different type. Wait, it's like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'll face it the other way actually. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let's open it. Oh. Or just put it in and fix the box. So like this. So I don't want to wreck the box. I'm just going to put this hammer.
I think that together was a snake. I think the snake with Gucci.
Okay, so I'll put it over there. Now let's see the bag. Okay, I'm just going to hold it like this. So I don't. Ooh, this is a pretty nice bag. It's pretty nice. It's a Chanel black. It's just like this Hermes bag. I don't know what it's called. It's like the pink or red.
It's my name.
Because on the camera it kind of looks red.
It's my name.
But in real life it's like orange or pink. Should I say?
For Mama.
It's kind of similar, except it's bigger, different color. It doesn't have the Hermes, just a Chanel logo. Pretty big. Oh, so this is inside. Inside, this is, I forgot what it's called, but it's pretty nice. I think it's a jungle bag. So, in here, ooh, there's a card. This card, I think I would see it backwards from the camera. Goes up. It's alright. I'll pick it up later.
Again?
So it has the mini strap. This is just Bobby Brother's shirt. Pretty nice. The Gucci logo. Yeah. So we just got it. So in here there are there are two sections. 1, 2. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It has a pocket in here. Open it gently. By the way, this is magnetic. It's easy to close it.
Is this a Gucci?
Sometimes people would stand up, just like this. But I'm kind of short. So just like this.
You are Gucci.
Hamessa, do you want to try it on?
Yes, try on.
Okay. Or are you done? Okay. Do you want to go?
Let's go.
Whoa, so many stuff. So much.
Gucci.
So I think that's it. That's it about this bag. Pretty neat. So I'll go put it back in here, not try. So I'm just gonna put it gently. I'm gonna hold it here or else like it might get broken. Because if I did this, like I held it over here, it wouldn't be that like I might like. So, oh, I just close it like this. I think that's all I can close. Now I'll put it back in the box. So, okay, now I'm getting confused about the. Okay, so that's perfect. Now I'll put it back in place gently. Oh, I never noticed it was like this. Like this. Put this ribbon back. All done. Pretty neat. And almost forgot about the ribbon. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Bye.